In today's fast paced world, managing our finances efficiently has never been more critical. Whether it's saving for a rainy day, planning for future investments, or simply making ends meet, financial stability plays a pivotal role in our lives. So today I'll take you to 10 life changing money tips that will double your savings. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the ThriveWise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Have a debt payoff plan. Addressing debt is a critical aspect of achieving financial stability. To effectively manage and eventually eliminate debt, individuals should have a well thought out debt payoff plan. One of the primary goals when dealing with debt is to save money on interest payments. Two common debt payoff strategies are the snowball and avalanche methods. In the snowball method, individuals prioritize paying off the smallest debt first and then moving on to larger balances sequentially. Conversely, the avalanche method focuses on paying off the higher interest rate debts and then progressing to lower interest debts. Both strategies have their merits, and individuals can choose the one that aligns best with their financial situation and goals. For those seeking alternatives, contacting credit card companies to negotiate lower interest rates is a viable option. Additionally, consolidating multiple debts into one interest-free credit card can help save money on interest and simplifying debt management. It is also essential to work on improving one's credit score, as a higher score can lead to lower interest rates on personal loans, auto loans, and mortgages. Commitment to a well-structured debt payoff plan is crucial for successfully eliminating debt, ultimately freeing up resources for savings. Number 2. Improve energy efficiency. Reducing utility bills by improving energy efficiency is an often overlooked method for saving money quickly. Utility bills, including electricity and gas expenses, can significantly impact monthly budgets. Implementing energy-saving practices can lead to considerable cost reductions. Several strategies can help lower these utility bills, despite common misconceptions. These include unplugging electronics when not in use, switching to energy-efficient appliances, installing low-flow shower heads and faucets, and adopting a smart thermostat. A smart thermostat, in particular, can result in substantial savings, potentially reducing heating and cooling costs by up to 20% or more annually, depending on the model. Another practical tip is adjusting the thermostat temperature by just 1 degree, either warmer or cooler depending on the season. Over time, individuals will adapt to the new temperature setting, and this simple change can translate into significant savings. According to the US Department of Energy, for every degree of adjustment, individuals can save as much as 1% on their annual heating bill. Number 3. Get a second job. To accelerate the journey towards financial stability and to boost your monthly savings, individuals can consider taking on a second job or engaging in a side hustle. While this may require additional time and effort, it can be a short-term solution to meet financial goals. Second job opportunities can vary widely, from virtual assistants and freelancing to shifts at bars and restaurants and even pet sitting. The service industry in particular offers the potential for earning tips and, in some cases, higher wages than hourly positions. The extra income generated from a second job can be allocated directly to a savings account, helping individuals pay off debts more swiftly and establish emergency funds. However, it is essential to strike a balance between work and personal life to safeguard mental well-being. One's mental health should always remain a top priority, even when striving to achieve ambitious savings goals. If a second job is not a feasible option, there are alternative ways to save without increasing work hours. Number 4. Have a designated savings account. To manage your finances effectively and achieve your savings goals, it's essential to separate your everyday spending money from your savings. Establishing a designated savings account can help accomplish this. By doing so, you reduce the risk of dipping into your savings to cover daily expenses, and you create a clear boundary between your spending and savings priorities. In addition to general savings, having an emergency fund is crucial to avoid relying on credit cards in unexpected situations. Even if you can only contribute a modest amount, such as $50 or $100 per month, you are still making progress towards financial security. Remember that any amount, no matter how small, is better than nothing. Number 5. Reevaluate your habit. Some of your daily habits may be undermining your efforts to save money. Take a critical look at these habits and assess their financial impact. For instance, habits like smoking can have a significant cost, and evaluating the benefits of quitting may prompt you to consider alternatives or seek support to quit. Additionally, if you tend to make impulsive purchases, consider implementing strategies to curb this behavior. Give yourself a grace period of 3 to 4 days before making non-essential purchases, which can help prevent impulsive decisions driven by instant gratification. For a more rigorous approach, adopt a 30-day rule, where you delay a purchase for a month. This rule not only curbs impulsive buying, but also provides time to explore better deals and assess the true necessity of the purchase. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the Thrive Wise love, so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, number 6, plan your meals. Meal planning can be a powerful tool for saving money and prompting healthier eating habits. Dining out or ordering takeout frequently can quickly deplete your budget, as restaurant meals are often more expensive than home-cooked ones. Creating a meal plan doesn't need to be overly complicated. Simplicity is key. Begin by outlining a basic meal plan for the week, leaving room for flexibility. When grocery shopping, prioritize cost-effective ingredients while considering their nutritional value. Preparing meals in advance and storing them in individual containers can save time and prevent the temptation to dine out. Even if you prefer not to prep your meals, planning them allows you to cook at home and make use of leftovers, reducing food waste and saving money. By purchasing groceries that align with your meal plan, you are less likely to be enticed by takeout options, as you will already have satisfying and budget-friendly meals available. Number 7. Cancel any unused subscriptions. Many companies offer subscription services, and it's easy to accumulate subscriptions over time. However, maintaining unused or underutilized subscriptions can be costly. The sunk cost fallacy often makes it difficult to cancel these subscriptions, as individuals feel reluctant to let go of something they've already paid for, even if they no longer find value in it. Delaying the cancellation of subscriptions may create an illusion of future utility, but in reality, it often leads to wasted money. Instead of waiting for a hypothetical time when you might use the service, consider canceling it now. Be ruthless in evaluating whether each subscription truly adds value to your life and aligns with your financial goals. Number 8. Switch to a cash-only budget. In today's digital age, many people overlook the psychological impact of using cash for daily expenses. Swiping a card often disconnects individuals from the tangible value of money, leading to unintentional overspending. Embracing a cash-only budget can serve as a powerful antidote to this issue. Using cash for daily expenses not only makes individuals more conscious of their spending habits, but also acts as a natural limit to overspending. After all, one cannot spend money they do not physically have. To fully embrace a cash-only lifestyle, it is advisable to refrain from using credit or debit cards, thereby eliminating the temptation to overspend. The envelope method is a valuable tool you can use for adopting a cash-only budget. With this method, individuals allocate specific amounts of cash to various expense categories, such as gas and groceries, and place the cash in separate envelopes. Once an envelope is empty, spending in that category ceases until the next month begins. This method fosters discipline and prevents impulsive spending. Number 9. Automate savings and bills. In the age of advanced technology, automation has become a powerful tool for managing one's finances effectively. One area where automation shines is in automating savings. This practice is especially beneficial for those with a fixed monthly income. Through online banking, individuals can set up automated transfers from their daily spending accounts to their savings accounts. By doing so, they reduce the temptation to spend money earmarked for savings on daily expenses, thus fostering disciplined financial habits. Automated savings also provide the advantage of convenience, freeing up valuable time and alleviating the burden of manual transfers. Various applications are available that can automatically transfer different amounts from checkings to savings accounts. Some of these apps even employ intelligent algorithms to determine the optimal times for saving, ensuring that individuals can save without adversely affecting their daily expenses. Number 10. Learn to budget and understand your finances. Budgeting is an indispensable skill for achieving financial stability and saving money efficiently. To begin, individuals must assess their cash flow by comprehending their income and expenses, including bills, debt repayments, and savings contributions. This entails closely monitoring monthly expenses over a 30-day period to gain insights into income versus expenditure. By comparing monthly income with expenses, individuals can gauge whether they are saving or overspending. It is essential to identify these areas where expenses can be trimmed to increase savings contributions. Regularly evaluating progress and making necessary adjustments to the budget is equally crucial for long-term financial success. Well, that's basically 10 life-changing money tips that will double your savings. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.